warning again.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hunt County in north central Texas, southwestern Hopkins County in north central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Commerce, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Hunt and southwestern Hopkins counties, including the following locations: South Sulphur, Naylandville, Ridgeway, and Lone Oak. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 100 and 117. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
How did I catch that?